Oh, well, hello again, welcome back. Today we're talking chests of drawers. French, English. If you look at them, they're both beautiful pieces. Different kings in power at the time. George, the leg is Georgian. Has English got 2 single drawers over 3 large drawers, ending up on a bracket foot. French, 1 drawer, 2 drawer, 3 drawers on a beading on the outside. Hardware, simple hardware. This is more a countrified piece. Escutcheons, hardware, escutcheons, hardware. Then over to the English piece. Again, escutcheons to match the locks. Look, drop, escutcheons, key in the center, escutcheons centered, drops. Okay, let's talk veneers. Okay, French, chevron pattern. It's a thick veneer on a secondary wood on the inside. You can see the cross hatching of the veneers on this. It's like a cherry wood. It's aged old cherry wood because it's yellowing, versus mostly English or American woods would have been more reddish. European cherry wood is more yellowing and ambering. Here we go, English piece. English walnut. If you look at the cross hatching banding here, it's mahogany, but walnut in the center, walnut, and then has the cross hatching of mahogany. Okay, wonderful. Let's go here. If you open up the drawer, you have French hardware. I can't completely get into great detail about it today, but it's more of a primitive piece, countrified piece that tells you this is not a city piece, but a country piece. Look at the English drawer, it's more of a cityfied piece. It's more cleaner, sweeter inset on the piece, and it has a lever mark on the top stamped into the piece that says that it's English. Okay, secondly, if one opens the drawer here, has an opening here and just the 2 slides. So the drawer slides in and out, and the dust goes on into the second tier. This goes right into here. Okay, that's that. If we go over here, we go and pull out the English one. What do we have? We have a dust panel between the drawers. So that means every time you open and close the drawer, it doesn't go into the second drawer underneath. Again, pull it out, has a dust panel here. So there you have it. French v English. Thank you, hope this helps you. If you have any, if you like it, give me the thumbs up. Comments below if it helps you in making a decision on buying a piece of furniture. Catch you next time. Look forward to seeing you. Bye.